Hey, it's Bill with Immaculate Paint Protection. Today we are going to do an unboxing video of the new Kranzle pressure washer. We are replacing the Greenworks Pro 2300 PSI. This is a brushless motor, which I guess works better. It's been here for 2-3 years now. It's done its job well. That was a Lowe's purchase around Father's Day. That seems when they run the discounts on it. Nothing bad to say about the Greenworks pressure washer. It's just, it's loud as all hell. We got multiple vehicles in the shop now, multiple employees. So when we're inside and we're running the Greenworks pressure washer, it's just really loud. It's just, so hopefully the Kranzle will be a little quieter, a little smoother operation. The other downside to the Greenworks is that it's not an instant on, so you pull the trigger and there's like a count, 1, 2, and then the pressure kicks in. So hopefully with the total stop here, my understanding is that should just pull the trigger and the pressure comes on instantly. I don't anticipate the $1,000 pressure washer making us a super duper wash specialist now or anything like that. It simply just pumps water up to pressure and it comes out of nozzle. So my recommendation to anybody is, if you're starting out, save some bucks on the pressure washer, put the money in the hose, the gun, and buy a nice hose reel. We found this Cox reel works really nice. We had another company's reel up. It worked, but it didn't work. It bound up the hose and the hose vibrated itself, and we saved $100 on a cheaper hose reel, but it destroyed a $75 or $100 hose. So in the end, we didn't really save any money, so we should have just got the Cox reel to start. But I would recommend spending the money on the wand, the hose, and the hose reel to start and save the money on the pressure washer. Let's get to it. We'll unbox the Kranzle K1622TS. Say hello to your new favorite tool. It comes with the pressure washer hose, the spray wand. Looks like it has an adjustable fan. There's not too much packing in here. Instruction manual, there's spare parts list. Safety stuff. Safety tips for today: don't spray your crotch, don't spray the electrical outlet, don't give it to your kid. You've been warned. Nice big power cord. It's got the GFI built into it. Here's the gun. Oh, here's the beef. There's some style weight to this thing here. It probably weighs twice the weight of the Greenworks machine, but it's 3 times, 4 times the cost, so that's makes me feel like I got my money's worth out of this. Okay, we got number 1, the shaped handle. Number 2 is the pump head. 3 is the start and stop switch. 4 is the main power supply. 5 is large pressure steel gauge. That's the outlet. Here's the inlet, so we'll hook that up to the standard garden hose. Here's the motor on-off. On-off, here's the total stop. That's the big money dollar one there. Pressure regulator. So we got the safety trigger gun screwing for this. That's the dirt killer. We got the high pressure hose, operating manual. There's oil in there. That's good. Okay. We'll hook her up. Just for comparison's sake, before we take this down, we'll run the motor winds up. A little loud. Pull the trigger on this one. No pressure. The pressure's low. Okay, so we're gonna take the Kranzle K1622TS out for its maiden voyage. On, water's on, take her out, see what happens. much nicer. Just want to let it run a little bit.